Hi, I'm Alexander, and today we'll take a look at SV023 full-size open-back headphones from SIVGA. This sample was kindly provided by SIVGA in exchange for my honest review. As always, I'm not paid to say anything in particular about the product, and all thoughts and opinions in today's episode are my own. SV023 is a dynamic open-back headphone from SIVGA Audio. It features 50mm LCP drivers with beryllium-coated diaphragm developed in-house by SIVGA, detachable high-purity 6NOC cable, walnut wood ear cups, and specially shaped ear pads that provide an excellent fit and comfort. The headphones arrive in a large-style hard cardboard box, which has the headphones illustration on the front and a list of technical specifications on the back. In the box we have SIVGA SV023 headphones, 1.8 meters long detachable balanced cable, 4.4mm to 3.5mm adapter cable, 3.5mm to 6.3mm adapter, fabric bag for accessories, and a hard leather storage case. Impedance of headphones is 300 ohms, sensitivity is 105 dB. Headphones weigh 318 grams without cable. Now let's talk about design and build. The headphones look gorgeous. The build is made out of metal, leather and wood with a few plastic parts, and the looks are very pleasing. The outer part of the headband is made from steel spring and it's split in two parts. The inner part of the headband is made from protein leather, it's padded and you can slide it along the outer steel headband to adjust the fit. The SIVGA logo is embossed on the top of the inner headband. The padding on inner headband is good and it comfortably sits on your head. Overall, the headband is very ergonomic and distributes the weight of headphones well. The clamping force of the headband is average, providing a good fit and seal, and is great for long listening sessions. The yokes that attach the headband to the cups are metal too and complement the overall design. To adjust the headband, you simply move each side of the inner headband up or down along the steel rails, and this mechanism works well. The ear cups have 30 degrees horizontal swivel on both sides. Vertically, the ear cups rotate 30 degrees inwards, but almost with no rotation outwards. The ear cups are made out of high-density rosewood, they're CNC machined, and then they go through sanding, polishing, painting, and natural air drying. There's also a vent mesh installed in both ear cups, hence making this design open back or semi-open back if you will. On the bottom of each ear cup there's a 2.5mm connector sockets. The headphones come with a hybrid memory foam ear tips and they have oval shape. The ear pads are 105mm in height and 95mm across. The opening of ear pad is 65mm in height and 50mm across. The depth of the ear pads is almost 20mm. The ear pads are soft and comfortable. The outer ear pad ring is made from perforated protein leather, while the part touching your head is made from velvet. Inside the cups we have 50mm beryllium-plated LCP composite diaphragm drivers, which are developed by SIVGA in-house. Overall, I am pleased with the build quality and I think the headphones look gorgeous. Now a couple of words about fit and comfort. The headphones weigh 318 grams without cable, and despite having rosewood ear cups and metal build, they still feel light on the head. I have an average-sized head, I wear motorcycle helmet size L and the headphones fit me well. In addition, I have large ears, and in my case they completely fit inside the ear pads. Even if you have a big head, the size and shape of the headband should not be a problem. The headband clamping force is average and it provides a comfortable fit and a good seal. Considering the fact this pair of headphones is intended for laid-back listening, the headband clamping force combined with excellent ear pads make this pair very comfortable for long listening sessions too. Overall, headphones provide a fantastic level of comfort and it's a pleasure to wear them for hours. Headphones come with one detachable 6NOC balanced cable that is 1.8 meters long. From one end it has a straight 4.4mm balanced connector with a spring, and on the other end it has two 2.5mm TS connectors. The connectors sit in the ear cup snugly and they have a well-defined click when you connect them. If you don't have a 4.4mm output on your source, SIVGA got you covered, as the headphones also come with adapter cable from 4.4mm balanced to 3.5mm unbalanced. The cable that comes with headphones is, in my opinion, one of the best stock cables that I've seen so far in this price range. It's well built, soft, and has almost no microphonics. Now let's talk about the sound. Please note that all sound impressions that I'm sharing on this channel are completely subjective, so please take them with a grain of salt. The impedance of headphones is 300 ohms, so you will need a powerful source to make them shine. Sound-wise, the headphones are wonderful. They are a rare combination of smooth character, laid-back tuning, and studio-grade details, which results in a fantastic sound presentation. I heard a number of headphones in this price bracket, and I need to say that this pair definitely stands out with its tuning, tonal balance, precision, and accuracy. The headphones have a moderate amount of bass with gentle punch and good control, detailed and clean mid-range, and a relaxed treble. The sound signature paired with spacious presentation makes long listening sessions with this pair a pure joy. The bass here is well tuned, it's not overly done, but it's detailed, refreshing, and punchy. I also noticed that when needed, the bass is always there. In addition, when I tried to EQ the bass, I noticed that the driver is very capable and there was no audible distortion, and the bass still had its clarity and detail. There is a good amount of sub-bass extension and rumble for a pair of open-back headphones, with mid-bass having just a little bit of more quantity, impact, and note weight. The bass details are above average and it's quite fast. Complex and fast recordings don't sound muddy or cluttered, which is good. But I need to mention that if you are looking for a hard-hitting bass, you need to look elsewhere. The bass on SV023 is more about gentle punch, precision, and speed, and its character really helps to keep the low end clean and uncluttered. The mid-range here is excellent. It's energetic and natural, and is probably what I liked about this pair the most. The timbre is very accurate, the whole mid-range is well defined and detailed, and I loved how the vocals and instruments sound here. The lower mids are well balanced and accurately represent lower mid-tones with a solid body. The only thing to mention is that lower mids rarely lack note weight and energy, but this is dependent on the material as well. Compared to lower mids, the upper mids have more energy and are more full in my opinion, without being harsh, but they are still bright to a certain degree. Vocals, both male and female, sound great and have a good resolution. Guitars, especially electric ones, have lots of energy and sit well in the mix. Piano passages sound wonderful and the strings are detailed and clean. Treble on SV023 is refined, detailed, energetic, and the whole region is well defined. It offers a good level of extension and details, but it's not sibilant or sharp at all. As the upper treble is slightly recessed, it makes the overall presentation smooth and lush. While it lacks just a little bit of sparkle and air for my personal preference, I'm pretty sure the treble here will make a lot of people happy. Also, if needed, you can boost the treble a bit with EQ, and as I already mentioned, the driver is very capable, so you will have a lot of room for experiment. Detailed retrieval here is good, and micro-detailed retrieval is also impressive. Overall, SIVGA managed to balance the treble region the way it's not overly done, yet it provides a great amount of clarity in the mix. Soundstage width and depth is above average, and music mostly sounds out of your head. The sound presentation is very open and spacious, and the soundstage conveys a good sense of distance. Imaging is on point and the placement of instruments is correct. Details and micro-details retrieval are also impressive, and the instrument separation is great. In addition, the headphones stand out in their price range with their natural and coherent sound presentation. Let's summarize. I'm impressed with SV023 and its performance, and I think SIVGA did a fantastic job. It's a great pair of well-built and tuned headphones that offer excellent tonality, timbre, and sound presentation. Pros: excellent build and choice of materials, great stock detachable cable, excellent comfort, natural and organic mid-range, refined and relaxed treble, excellent clarity, and detailed retrieval. Cons: the upper treble is a bit recessed and the bass quantity can be a deal breaker for some people, although it can be easily fixed with EQ. Overall, I need to say that I'm impressed. It's a fantastic pair of headphones with excellent design, good build with a great choice of materials, and it has a very comfortable fit. The headphones are capable of providing a great technical performance along with detailed yet relaxed sound signature. There's a good amount of bass, fantastic mid-range and smooth treble, and long listening sessions with these headphones have been a truly immersive experience. If you can afford it, I strongly recommend SIVGA SV023 to anyone looking for a pair of great looking and well-built open-back headphones with a fantastic sound signature. Alright guys, that's all from me for today, and I hope that you enjoyed this review. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to receive new video updates. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.